Okay, so I was watching a David Attenborough Life on Earth documentary about rock penguins, and it was when the sequence where they were stealing stones from each other to make nests and everything. I don't know whether they were rock penguins, but they were some kind of penguins similar to these. Anyway, it kind of crossed my mind while I was watching that. The term rock can also mean, instead of just basically a rock, a stone, or a pebble or something, it could also mean rock as in music. And I just thought it wouldn't be a funny idea having these penguins jamming away, enjoying themselves making music. And so the image came about of these two rock penguins, one playing a Stratocaster and the other one singing, making music, and that's where the idea came from.